between these two friendly nations. There you go, the Nepal starting 11.
It's the 3-3 by Bangladesh today by the coach.
Well, everything said and done. Here we go with the whistle of the final of the SAF Under-20 Championship. The host nation, Nepal versus Bangladesh Under-20. Here we go. The early minutes of the game, both teams, Nepal on the attack, and every attack of Nepal will be a roar from the audience. Loss of possession early in the minutes. It's going to be Ashadul Molla clean through. Can he make a cross? It's early seconds in the game. Oh, the captain slips. Ashadul is in acre of space trying to pass the ball to his teammate. Not the best of passes. Bangladesh still on attack. Trying.
Short one.
Bangladesh. Beautiful 1-2. Can the number 10 put it in? Has been brought down. Number 10. Ram Thapa is not happy. Says he got some foot on the ball. It is a chance right on the stroke of the hand. Can silence the crowd. They have done it before. They can do it now. Will it be Mirajul Islam? 3 players lining up for the free kick. Mirajul! What a goal! Mirajul Islam striking the ball on the right side of the post. What a free kick by Mirajul Islam.
As they say, it is one from the heavens. The goalkeeper could do nothing. It was the brilliant free kick from the number 10. He created it for himself. He was the one.
But it's all about goals. That's how cruel football can get. And at the end of the first,
Bangladesh should be white and patient and peaceful like their jersey. Now, Nepal and Bangladesh. The second half starts. The real test. Onto the channels. It's Samir Tamang. Is onside. Or is he? The flag is up.
well, it's been given as an offside.
Off the mat, off the field here. Rabi. Asadul with a cross here. Could be dangerous. Bangladesh take another goal here. The Bengal Tigers roar again. And this time, Nepal might be done and dusted. This is another blow from Bangladesh. And they have been quite brave. And they have been quite effective. The Bengal Tigers taking another goal for themselves.
Well, it's once again Mirajul Islam. Talk about the quality of that cross. Was going either way, but Mirajul Islam made sure the ball went into the net. He was onside. And Bangladesh now on a 2-goal cushion in the final of the SAF Under-20 Championship. He gets his second of the game, and he is now the leading scorer in this competition.
Bangladesh lead. With a confident lead, with a comfortable lead here. Nepal has to up their game now. They have to be
Too much space inside the box. If they want to take this game to penalties.
Nepal are 2 goals down. They have to be quite effective from here. Kushal with the switch. Ram Thapa looking for a comeback here. The Nepali boys. Avinash with the pass. Avinash Shantan. Ram Thapa. It's a clearance. And now it's
To go.
now Nepal are piling on the pressure, but then again, Bangladesh are resilient. They have been quite solid in their defending. Bangladesh trying to find another opportunity. Oh, another missed pass there. Harishaz Bhatta comes in. He's playing with the Chalak setup in the A Division League. Now Rabi Hussain from the left-hand side. Through ball towards PH Nova. Or was it? The tides have changed here. In Rajan's favor. Harishaz Bhatta loses the ball. Kushal. In the first game, Bangladesh was quite unlucky for the matter that they conceded a very, very dismal goal, but today they're not doing so. It's now Asif. He's very confident, he's the leader of this group. Mirajul, quite relaxed on possession. The Bangladeshi players.
Mirajul Islam is leading goal scorer with 4 goals. Bangladesh looking for a double change by themselves.
Coach Darlami has also been put in there by Urjan Shrestha. And is indicating for a substitution there, the number 4 from Bangladesh.
Ashadul Islam Shakib is down at the moment. Tensed faces of the Nepali players on the bench. Clock is.
It is the symbol of bravery in within the last 25 minutes. Saroj Darlami. He will be trying to find a goal here from this set piece. Saroj with the cross, and now an opportunity. Ashadul Islam Shakib from the left. It's Samir Tamang. Samir with the cross inside the box. Miraj Andhami. Harish Raj Bhatta trying to find the width. Harish with the cross. A screen for a handball.
3 players surrounding the attacker at that moment. Nepal going all guns blazing at the moment. It's not just happening for Nepal. They have come close on several occasions for a goal, but it's Bangladesh who lead. She'll almost
to the 1v1. Samir with the cross inside. Harish Raj Bhatta trying to find the space, trying to find an angle to attack here. Good defending by Bangladesh. Now Nepal rallying forward from the left. Another opportunity, another chance. Switching on to the right towards Ram Thapa. Taking it patiently, the right back. Ram Thapa still with the ball. Ram Thapa with the cross, gets a corner.
Defenders of Bangladesh are pretty tall, and that is being a problem for Nepal.
Ram Thapa with the corner here. Could be a chance here for Nepal. But then again, the Bangladeshi defenders had other ideas. Kushal battling out to win the ball here. From the right, going forward, Nepal, and this will be
Nepal still looking for that first goal from the very minute of this game. Nepal look to be the face of the game. Can the substitutes for Nepal do the trick for coach Urjan Shrestha?
And now Mirajul coming forward from the left hand side. Mirajul with an opportunity here. He's on a hat trick. Mirajul Islam sets it up for Robbie. Robbie Hussain! Electrifying move there by the Bangladeshi players. And they're the one to get the 3rd goal here. Mirajul Islam, this time the provider. And Robbie Hussain Rahul scores the 3rd goal for Bangladesh. They have been caught in the break, Nepal, and now Bangladesh one step closer to the trophy.
Well, look at that footwork. Was on a hat-trick, but he let his teammate do it. Mohammad Rabi Hussain Rahul making no mistake to tap the ball in. No answer for Jared Sheikh. Just look at how cleanly he took that shot, and he knew.
Nepal going from the left hand side. There opportunity here. Nepal will be going forward, and now this will be simulation. A card for a simulation there. He was looking for it. The number 7.
It's
Something
frustration
to be proud
from
of.
the spectators. They came here to see their home side lift the trophy, but it seems the dreams are fading away. 3-0 down, and just 20 odd minutes left in the match, and Nepal not playing good at all. The superior tactician, but in the second half it was a completely different side. The Bengal Tigers, they came out blazing, and they not only stopped Nepal's attack, but they
significantly the first time. Nepal trying to stop that from happening. Across inside the box, Rohan was there. Anil with the shot, trying to find the top corner. Samir Tamang going forward. From the left, it's Nepal. And there will be a foul here.
Well, Abhinav, just one goal can give a momentum to Nepal and confidence to Nepal as well, and it can shake the Bangladeshi defender.
Game up their tempo. And be very, very brave here. Samir with the ball inside the box. There can be an opportunity. Rohan was there. Clearly collected there by the Bangladeshi. Nepal. From the left, it's Mirajul. It's quite slippery, this surface. Waiting for a miracle. The Nepali fans are waiting for a miracle here.
His team is 3-0 up, and Nepal now seems to have no answer at all. And it's another yellow card for the Nepali team.
Definitely a yellow card here for Saroj Darlami, the player who came in the second half. It's all going down for the home country. It's all getting destroyed. The hopes, the aspiration.
Football championship.
Now Bangladesh going forward. Robbie Hussain. Oh,
Combination.
Quite close. Bangladesh was scoring.
And that has been the downfall today.
Harish Raj Bhatta. Ram Thapa. Ram with a cross inside the box. There can be an opportunity here. Nepal! And that is the first goal for Nepal. Samir Tamang. Can it be coming for Nepal? That is the question. The mighty Gorkhalis fight back once again. They show their bravery. And it's 10 minutes between them. A yellow card there. There is some confusions.
Replay, and that was a free header. This time around, he did not miss it. A clear eye on the goal, and he was free as well. He took all he can, and the supporters are now jumping and joying. Can Nepal?
Across inside. Ram Thapa clears it. Bangladesh all over the ball now. Throw in Rohan Kharki going forward. Corner kick for Nepal.
Nepal needs to capitalize on it, not a long ball in the box. Nepal do now.
Saroj with the cross inside. Could be an opportunity here for Nepal. Still waiting, still patient. And this will be in advantage of Nepal. That's a throw-in. So, Rabi, oh my God, this guy. Rabi Hussain with the cross, and this time, it's a clearance! Still Nepal going forward. Still Nepal
Has been given as a goal, Abhinav. It has been given as a goal by the referee. Assistant referee has seen the ball crossing the line. And it's Bangladesh who put the fourth goal in. And now, possibly, just possibly, that's Coffin. The pass came from Mohammad Rabi Hussain Rao. They might have killed the hopes of Nepal.
Okay, let's see. In the replay then, the ball was certainly... I do not think so, Avash. I certainly do not think so. It went inside.
You never know, Abhinav. It's all about angles. The way the camera was placed, the angles. The assistant referee saw it. The referee see what
the Nepali players, Nirajan Dhami. Nirajan still with the ball. Looking out for Samir Tamang with the shot. Another chance wasted there for Samir Tamang. And it has been the story of the day for Nepal. They have been quite wasteful with their opportunities, with their chances, and this was another example of the same thing.
The goalkeeper of Bangladesh was injured in the previous game, Mehdi Hassan, and that shot straight into the hands of the keeper. And that is the final whistle. Bangladesh rejoice. What a match we witnessed today. Bangladesh has clinched their very first SAF Under-20 championship title right here on the Nepali soil, and you can feel the excitement in the air. The young lads from Bangladesh have and determinators and left everything on the pitch, but it just wasn't their day. Despite the rearing Nepali fans, Bangladesh kept their composure. Trump and despair, ecstasy for one and disappointment for the other. Well, that's a cruel part of this tournament. Bangladesh, against all odds, losing their goalkeeper against India in the semi-finals, and with the heroics of the number 2 goalkeeper Mohammad Asif, came on to the semi-finals, and in the finals they beaten the home nation, the host, by 4.